As said before, many dead people do not know that they are dead, which is understandable because they can still see, hear, speak, move, feel, and think. But with time, they begin to realize that something is not right, since they are no more able to do the things they used to do. They are often present at their own funerals. The dead are often present at their own funerals because of the tie between the residual magnetism of the corpse and the spiritual bodies. There is a connection between them. So the dead is always present at his or her own funeral. At the funeral, the dead sees a motionless body, laid in state. It resembles him or her. And then he or she wonders, why the cry? Why the grief? Why the wailing? If someone who is capable of telling the dead, it is your funeral, we are holding your funeral, the dead will thought it madness. How could you be talking to me and claim I am dead? That is what will be going through the mind of the dead. If I were dead, how could you have been talking to me? Unless dead people are taught to understand that they are no more in the physical body, it is difficult for them to appreciate the fact that they are dead. They are no more in the physical world. They normally will sit or stand a bit far from the place where they are laid in state, preferably in a corner. When sitting in a chair, they easily give way to people, especially those with whom they are familiar. The dead is interested in the ceremony, and when the preacherman's sermon becomes appealing, his or her name being frequently mentioned, plus the good works done on earth, the dead will once a while go, stand over the mortal remains, watching it with keen interest. He or she is overjoyed when the good things done in life are mentioned. That is why we should be saying positive things about people who are dead. The oftener we repeat this, the happier they feel. Inversely, the dead dislikes negative things being said about them. They don't like it at all. Let's just talk about colors at funerals. The vibration of certain colors during funerals is not conducive for the dead.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.